Hey, it's Jason. I'm down here in Kissimmee, Florida. We are staying at ChampionsGate again for vacation. It's a huge community. This is the house we're staying in. The purpose of this video is to show the community, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what one of these houses look like in ChampionsGate. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that is the house at ChampionsGate. This is a 5-bedroom house. It looks like about 4 bathrooms. I actually didn't count all of them, with a pool and a hot tub. And you have a lot of open space. This is a brand new part of ChampionsGate. It is on, I think it's Somerset Hill Road. And they're still doing a lot of development. So this house has probably been rented less than, I would say, 2 years, given by all the development going on. I hope you found this video helpful and give you a little glimpse into ChampionsGate, which is Davenport, Florida, which is about 12 miles from Disney. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.